I'll show you how to overlay media files in CapCut on your phone. It's simple, as you can see here, and we'll guide you through each step carefully. First, we add your videos to CapCut, and it's really easy to do, as you can see here, with just a tap. With just a single tap, as you can see here, we've added your videos to CapCut, for instance. It's that straightforward, and now let's explore what we can do next. We can even add another video or photo like this one, as you can see here. Now, let's move to the next step, carefully. To place it below, what should we do? First, we find it here and tap on it, as you can see here, carefully following each step. The video we want to place at the bottom, as you can see here, requires finding the overlay option. Tap it, and now, as you can see, we have move this media file to the lower line, as you can see here. You can repeat this process many times, or even choose another option. Add another video like this one, as you can see here. Tap Overlay, and it moves below. Now let's move to the next step carefully. Move it even lower. That's all. Thanks for watching, good luck, and bye.